Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free gems in the Stumble, guys. No jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, I got a ton. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. No jailbreak. So let's get right into the video. This is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So as you can see, look how much resources I got. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. It's fully working, guys. Super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what we need to do is go to Zoo Mods. Site has tons of mods for apps and games, so let me just go ahead and type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, go to search bar, type in Stumble, guys. There it is. Press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go and try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It's super cool, guys. This fully works. And if you go to the search bar and type in Stumble, guys, you can see it is just super expensive, bro. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. As you can see. Alright. Okay, here it is. So super expensive, guys, as you can see. So be sure to go ahead and try it. Look at that, guys. So be sure to go and try this out for yourself. It's super insane, guys. It actually works. So get the word out. This is super insane, guys. Just go to the search bar and type in Stumble, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. This is super insane, guys. Get the word out, bro. This is actually working, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. It's updated and everything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully updated method. It's working. No jailbreaking, any of that. So try it out today. Get the word out. This is super cool. It's updated and everything like that. So be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. It fully works. And yeah, I didn't have to do anything annoying to do this. So be sure to go and try it out. See you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool. It actually works, so try it out today and get the word out. See you guys in another video. Super insane, and peace out.